Alrighty, fellow e-bike nerds. It is I with another update to the e-bike saga. So I did a few other modifications. It's cosmetic, but it makes the bike look a little less cluttered and more like a motorbike than anything else. I got my nice little, reflective sticker on my on the windscreen. Again, we have the headlights. But the biggest modification is got rid of the milk crate in the back. Yes, the milk crate did kind of match the bike because it was blue. It fit with the blue scheme, but it was just a temporary thing until I got my motorcycle bag to be able to house the battery and controller. I was able to mount the light to the bag as well. The nice little flashy light, right? Works perfectly, in traffic. Now I get to show you everything is self-contained in the bag. So I've got the 60 amp controller plus the 35 amp 72 volt lithium phosphate battery in this bag. It fills the entire bag because it is massive. 35 amp hours, 72 volts, but it's only got a 50 amp BMS. I'm still waiting for the tank battery to come so I can parallel them with my parallel. It's almost like the data thing that you can find. I bought it off on eBay. It's an off-brand, but it works. It works up to 90 amps, which is plenty, because it'll be 110 amps, but I'll be tuning everything down to 60, obviously, because 60 amps is the maximum of this controller, right? And then I'll be able to get the maximum speed and maximum range, because let's get real here, nobody uses pedal assist. It's throttle only all the time. So when you have 35 amps plus 20 amps, it makes 55 amp hours. And if you, with my body weight, the way I calculated it out, it's pretty much 1 amp hour per mile. So with the total setup, I should be able to get 55 miles of total range without having to worry about, oh my God, I got to charge these batteries. I just got to make sure that my commute is only maximum 55 miles in total. But there we go, folks. This is the latest update for the bike. I will update again once I get the 20 amp hour battery. Until next time, folks, you guys have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.